Hi, and welcome to CarShield's tips and tricks to keeping your car on the road longer. I'm your host, Jason Lewis. Today, I'm going to show you how to check your car's tire pressure. Now, most of our modern cars will let you know when a tire's dropped below the manufacturer's recommended pressure, but it's a good habit to learn how and check for yourself. Maintaining good tire pressures can not only help prevent the potential of a flat tire or a blowout, but it can also help improve your fuel economy. Who doesn't love that? Before we check the pressure, you need to know how much air pressure you should have in your tires. And there are a couple places to look. The first is on your actual tire. Sometimes it's hard to see, but it looks something like this. Generally, it will be in a range of PSI. That's pounds per square inch. Another place to look is on the inside of the driver's door, right here. This will give you more specific vehicle information. I'm using my own tire pressure gauge. The most important thing to keep in mind is that you can easily read and understand what you're seeing on your gauge. In general, pressure gauges can be inexpensive, and you can always find one at your local auto parts store or favorite retailer. So let's check the air pressures now. First, remove the valve cap. Put your gauge on the valve stem and push down firmly. You'll hear a short burst of air, and that's fine. When the gauge is fully seated on the valve, you shouldn't hear any escaping air, and the gauge will show you how much pressure is inside the tire. If it matches what you need, you're good to go. If not, head to your local gas station or use an air compressor to fill her up. If you fill the tires yourself, use your tire gauge once again to double check the air pressures and never overfill your tires either, because that can be dangerous. Well, that wraps up our tips for today. Remember, CarShield cars go farther.